In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a custom domain on Vercel. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly add custom domains to your Vercel project. It is incredibly simple, and all that you have to do is access your Vercel dashboard and project. So log into your Vercel account, and once you are properly signed into your account on your dashboard, access the settings for a specific domain that you would like to manage. Now, there should be a subsection titled Domains or Custom Domains, as you can see highlighted here. Now, just choose the option to add a custom domain by inputting it into this field and then clicking Add at the right side of the screen. Now, you will be prompted to choose how you want to add the domain. If you add an Apex domain, for example, site.com to the project, Vercel will prompt you to add the www subdomain prefix, the Apex domain, and some basic redirection options. As long as you leave everything unrecommended, you should be good to go, but if you are more knowledgeable, you can customize this. Regardless, once this is done, you are basically good to go. It should appear on the list and you will be able to refresh or edit it as necessary. Once you have added your custom domain, you will need to configure the DNS records of your domain with your registrar so it can be used with the project. The dashboard will automatically display different methods for configuring it. If the domain is in use by another Vercel account, you need to verify access to the domain with a TXT record. If you are using an Apex domain, you need to configure it with an A record, and if you are using a subdomain, you will need to configure it with a CNAME record. There will be instructions for all of these, but usually this is how it looks afterwards. Like I said, you will have full control over this and you just need to verify. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a custom domain to Vercel. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.